Okay, here we have the Elgin 3502E travel alarm clock with red flashing alarm, which you're going to see in a moment. It's a very cute little clock. I like it. It has a very nice feature. You can fold it up very easily. It's got a window. Nice. Most fold-up travel clocks do not have that. Now, what I also like about it is the backlight. Bam. Even though our camera can't pick it up, but it is actually quite nice. It has a 5/8 inch display, easy to set controls. It takes 2 AA batteries, not included. Quality by Elgin.